Welcome to this complete Lake Como travel guide. Nestled in the heart of Italy, Lake Como is a radiant gem, a spectacular blend of natural beauty and rich history. This popular tourist destination is a wonderland of stunning landscapes, architectural marvels, and a vibrant culture that dances to the rhythm of Italy's beating heart. It's an Italian sonnet waiting to be discovered, a canvas painted with the hues of adventure and tranquility. Now, shall we dive into our list of the top 10 things to do in Lake Como? First stop, Villa del Balvanello, a place that breathes history and elegance. Nestled on the tip of a small wooded peninsula, this enchanting villa has its roots in the late 18th century. Built as an elegant summer residence, it's now a beloved destination for both history buffs and film enthusiasts. The villa is surrounded by a breathtaking terrace garden, where intricate sculptures play hide and seek among the vibrant foliage. The panoramic views it offers of Lake Como are nothing short of spectacular, making it a favorite backdrop for wedding photographers. But the real charm of Villa del Balvanello lies in its cinematic fame. It has served as a filming location for blockbusters like Star Wars Episode II and Casino Royale. Walking through its ornate rooms and lush gardens, it's easy to see why filmmakers are drawn to its captivating allure. A visit to Lake Como isn't complete without stepping into the world of Villa del Balvanello. Next, we take a stroll through the charming Bellagio Village. Tucked away in the heart of Lake Como, this quaint little village is a treasure trove of delights waiting to be discovered. Imagine strolling through narrow cobblestone streets where every turn unravels a new surprise. The vibrant shops beckon with their colorful displays, offering everything from local crafts to high-end fashion. The scent of fresh Italian coffee wafts through the air, luring you into cozy cafes where friendly locals are always ready with a warm smile. But it's not just the streets and shops that make Bellagio Village a must-visit. The village also offers some of the most beautiful views of Lake Como. From certain vantage points, you can see the majestic lake stretching out in all its glory, surrounded by lush mountains that seem to touch the sky. Bellagio Village, a place where time seems to stand still in the best possible way. Our third stop is Villa Carlotta, a place where art and nature blend seamlessly. This magnificent villa, nestled on the shores of Lake Como, is a treasure trove of artistic masterpieces. Each room is a canvas, adorned with sculptures, paintings, and tapestries from the neoclassical and romantic periods. The villa's crowning glory, however, is the enchanting botanical garden. Spanning over 8 hectares, this garden is a vibrant tapestry of colors and fragrances, home to over 500 species of plants, trees, and exotic flowers. Imagine strolling through verdant avenues under the shade of towering palms and ancient cedars, while the scent of azaleas and rhododendrons fills the air. And then there's the view. From the garden's vantage point, one can enjoy breathtaking panoramas of the lake, a sight that has inspired poets and artists for centuries. Villa Carlotta, a true testament to Lake Como's rich culture and natural beauty. Next, we visit Verenna Village, a picturesque haven on the eastern shore of Lake Como. A place where time seems to stand still, enveloping you in a serene embrace. Here, narrow lanes wind their way between pastel-colored houses, each one seemingly trying to outdo the other with their charming displays of flower boxes and laundry lines. The romantic walkways of Verenna are a dream to wander through. The cobblestone paths, lovingly worn by the passage of time, beckon you to lose yourself in the labyrinth of this quaint village. The serene ambience is a melody composed of the gentle lapping of water against the shore, the distant toll of a church bell, and the soft whispers of the wind. This peaceful symphony is the soundtrack of Verenna, a melody that lingers in your heart long after you've left. Verenna Village, a hidden gem offering tranquility and charm in spades. An idyllic stop on our Lake Como journey, wouldn't you agree? Now we head to the heart of Como City to marvel at the majestic Komo Cathedral. A grand spectacle of Gothic and Renaissance architectural styles, Komo Cathedral, or Duomo di Como, is a testament to the city's rich history and artistic heritage. The cathedral's construction spanned over 3 centuries from the 14th to the 18th, and its design is a harmonious blend of different periods. As you gaze upon the cathedral's intricate facades, you can't help but be awed by the skill and dedication that went into creating such a masterpiece. The cathedral's interior is equally impressive, with its ornate altar, beautiful frescoes, and stunning stained glass windows. Perhaps what makes Komo Cathedral truly special is its significance to the city. More than just a place of worship, it's a symbol of the city's enduring spirit and architectural prowess. From its towering spires to its grand interiors, every inch of the cathedral tells a story of Komo's past. Komo Cathedral, a symbol of Komo City's rich history and architectural prowess. Next, we embark on a thrilling ride on the Brunate funicular. This isn't just any old cable car journey, oh no. This is your ticket to soaring above the majestic Lake Como, leaving the city far below as you ascend towards the heavens. As we climb, the panorama unfolds, revealing an ever-changing, breathtaking view of the shimmering lake and the city's terracotta rooftops. Once we reach the apex, we find ourselves in the charming village of Brunate. This is where the city meets the sky, a quiet and peaceful place that seems a world away from the hustle and bustle below. Here you can stroll along narrow, winding streets, perhaps stopping for a gelato or a cappuccino as you soak in the ambience. So, whether it's for the exhilarating ride, the stunning views, or the tranquil village at the top, the Brunate funicular is an experience not to be missed. Brunate funicular, providing a bird's-eye view of the stunning Lake Como. Our next stop is Villa Monastero, a place of beauty and knowledge. This gem, nestled in the heart of Lake Como, is steeped in a history as rich and deep as the lake itself. Originally a Cistercian monastery in the 12th century, it has evolved over the centuries, reflecting the changing times and tastes. In the 20th century, Villa Monastero found a new purpose as a conference center, hosting thought leaders and innovators from around the world. Today, it continues to inspire through a variety of international scientific events. But it's not all work at Villa Monastero. The villa is also renowned for its exquisite gardens. Imagine strolling through a kaleidoscope of colors with over 900 plant species from around the globe. The gardens are a sensory feast with a symphony of scents and a riot of colors that change with the seasons. Villa Monastero, a place where history, beauty and knowledge meet. Next, we visit Isola Kiana, the only island on Lake Como. A nugget of history nestled in the azure waters, the island is a time capsule that takes us back to the Lombard era, with its ancient ruins whispering tales of a bygone era. It's a place where history, mystery and beauty converge. In the heart of this island, you'll find remnants of a Byzantine-era church, St. Euphemius. The ruins, though silent, resonate with the echoes of the past, creating a unique allure that is impossible to resist. Venture a little further and you'll come across Locanda dell'Isola Kiana, the only restaurant on the island. Here, the menu hasn't changed in over 70 years, serving traditional Italian fare that's as timeless as the surroundings. But the real gem of Isola Kiana is the panoramic views of Lake Como. From here, the lake spreads out in a stunning spectacle, a sight that's worth the visit alone. Isola Kiana, a small island with a big history. Next, we take a walk on the Greenway del Lago di Como, a trail offering breathtaking views of the lake. The Greenway is a 10-kilometer footpath that winds through the heart of the region, allowing travelers to soak in the beauty of Lake Como on foot. As we embark on this journey, we are greeted by a symphony of colors and scents. The trail is a living, breathing canvas of nature with lush greenery, vibrant flowers, and the ever-changing hues of the lake. Along the route, we pass through quaint villages, each with its own unique charm. The picturesque stone houses, cobbled streets, and friendly locals make each stop a delightful experience. The trail also offers awe-inspiring views of the lake. As we walk, we are treated to a panoramic vista that changes with every step, each view more stunning than the last. Greenway del Lago di Como, a trail that lets you experience the beauty of Lake Como up close. Our final stop is Managio Village, a perfect place to relax and soak in the beauty of Lake Como. This vibrant village is a testament to the charm and allure of Italy, with its beautiful promenade that invites leisurely strolls. It's a place where time seems to slow down, allowing you to savor every moment. As you wander, you'll find charming cafes dotted along the way. These quaint establishments offer a perfect spot to sit down, enjoy a cup of Italian coffee, and watch the world go by. It's a simple pleasure, yet one that encapsulates the essence of the Italian lifestyle. But what truly sets Managio Village apart are the breathtaking views of Lake Como. The serene waters of the lake, framed by the majestic mountains, create a picture-perfect vista that will remain etched in your memory. Managio Village, the perfect end to our Lake Como journey. And there you have it, the top 10 things to do in Lake Como. From the stunning architecture of Villa del Balvanello and Villa Carlotta to the charming ambience of Bellagio and Varenna villages. Marvel at the grandeur of Komo Cathedral or enjoy a scenic ride on the Bruniculara. Don't forget to explore Villa Monastero and Isola Kiana. Take a leisurely stroll in Greenway del Lago di Como and unwind in the tranquil Managio Village. So when are you planning your visit to the breathtaking Lake Como?